Let's see how to show or hide hidden characters in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, let's say that you're having an issue with your document that it, you aren't able to erase a certain part of your document, or whenever you click on backspace, for example, your text doesn't go back up. So in order to fix this, you have to first be able to see everything that is within your document. And the first step to do that is by clicking this icon right here, which will show all the different hidden characters within your document. So for example, as you can see when we click that, we can now see all these at the end of our lines or our paragraphs. And that means that we clicked an enter to go on to the next line. And as you can see, we also have our section break right here, which was previously hidden. And for example, this is extremely helpful in situations like this, since it might be difficult for some people to directly remove section breaks since it is normally hidden within your document. So once you have this enabled, you can simply click at the beginning of your section break and click on delete on your keyboard. And as you can see, that section break has now been removed. Now to go back to your previous setting and to hide all these characters, simply click on this icon again. And there you go. All of those characters are now hidden again. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.